Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the 12 days of Go-To advent calendar. So this is an advent calendar from Go-To. I've never tried anything from this brand before, so I'm very excited. But first of all, how stunning is this box? Let's open her up and have a look. Oh wow, I feel like it's beautiful. Look at it. I really like this. So obviously there's 12 products in here. I think this one was relatively like on the cheaper side for an advent calendar. I think it was like 100 and something, 120 or something like that, which I know is still a lot of money, but talking advent calendar. But anyway, let's just get into the unboxing. Like I said, I've never tried anything from the brand, so I'm very excited. So day one, we have the Much Brighter Skin. It says with vitamin C, kaduki, plum, and niacinamide, a daily dose of radiance. So it says pat a pump of serum into your face after cleansing in the morning. Follow on with other skincare and always SPF. Okay, so it's a little serum. This is only 5 ml, so it's not like a big amount of product, obviously. But that's how it looks there. Very cute. It sounds nice. Day 2. Okay, this is the Face Hero with rosehip, buriti, and macadamia oils, a restorative super oil. It says massage into face AM and PM after cleansers, toners, and serums. Swallow with SPF in the AM and a night cream in the PM. So this is once again quite a small size. This is 10 mils. I do feel like oils they go a little bit further though, I think, like. But yeah, obviously these aren't full size, but that's how it looks there. Very cute. Love the little dropper bottle. Day 3. Day 3, we have a tiny little mini hair clip. I will say it's very cute. It's going to do absolutely nothing for my hair because my hair is, yeah, that's not going to work for me. But it is cute. Oh my god, now it's lost in my hair. Okay. Anyway. It's cute, but it's not very practical. So anyway, that's how it looks there. Day 4. Okay, this is the Glow Exfoliator with glycolic and mandelic acid. Improves texture for smoother, brighter skin. So it says it will minimize fine lines, brighten and improve skin texture. Formulated to be soothing to sensitive skin. It says apply after cleansing AM and PM, lightly soak a cotton pad and then sweep over the face. Do not rinse. So we've got a little toner. Might bring the camera in just like a little bit more. Anyway, we have a toner there. Day 5. I've got another little droppy bottle. This is the Much Plumper Skin with hyaluronic B5 and peptides. Instantly plump and soothe the skin. Pat serum into your face after cleansing in the AM or PM or both. Did we not already get this? Oh, okay. No, so the first one we got was the Much Brighter Skin, and this is the Much Plumper Skin. So obviously we've got 2 serums, one for brightening, one for plumping. Okay, once again, this one is 10 mils, so on the smaller side. Okay, let's look at day 6. Yeah, this is the Nifty 50 Mineral SPF 50 Mineral Daily Sunscreen with antioxidants. So there's 20 mils in here. It says apply cream liberally to exposed skin 20 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 hours or more often if necessary and after swimming. Excessive perspiration or toweling. Avoid contact with eyes. So we've got a little sunscreen to try out. And it doesn't say anywhere that it's specifically for your face. So I don't know if it's like for all over, but if you're using this all over your body, I don't think that's going to last very long, so I don't know. Anyway, on to day 7. This looks like it might be the first full-size thing because it's in a box. This is the Fancy Face with camellia oil, sweet almond oil, and vitamin E. Maybe it's not a full size. Anyway, this is the oil cleanser. So it's a little cleanser. It's 20 mils. Okay, hopefully that's not the full size. But yeah, it says apply 2 to 3 pumps into dry hands, massage over dry face, eyes included, for at least 30 seconds to dissolve makeup and skin care. Take a warm muslin or face cloth and wipe the face clean. Splash with water, pat dry with towel. So we've got a little like cleansing oil. Very nice. Okay, day 8. Okay, this is the Juicy Gel with cucumber, lotus, and aloe. Soothing cleansing gel for soft, clean skin. This is also 20 mils. It says it will gently, thoroughly cleanse skin and pores without stripping or drying. And it says squeeze a small amount into your hand and massage onto damp skin. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So yeah, we just got a little cleanser. Day 9. This looks like it could be full size. This is 15 grams and this is the Cherry Lips. So Cherry Lips with lanolin and vitamin E, tint and nourishment. It says it will give a cherry tint as it soothes and conditions lips, creates a protective barrier for ongoing comfort and hydration. Let's smell it because I absolutely hate cherry, so this probably isn't for me if it smells like cherry. If I'm being honest, like I've only squeezed it out a tiny bit because I don't want to like waste it. Doesn't smell super cherry, but I still probably wouldn't take the risk because I'm not a cherry girl. The thing makes my like stomach turn, but it's nice that we have a full size product in here and I feel like that would be a really nice lip balm. Okay, day 10. But this, I think it looks like it might be a scrunchie. It's a scrunchie. I will say it's beautiful. It looks very similar to the outside of the box. So yeah, it's cute. Day 11. This is the Very Luxe face cream with ceramides, collagen and pink algae. It says a deeply replenishing moisturizer for firmer, smoother skin. This one also comes in a box. It is 15 mils. Oh, I really like the packaging of this actually. It's very cool. It's like rose gold. It's very cool. Love that. Oh, it smells kind of like a little bit like rose. Very nice. So yeah, I feel like that feels very heavy. Like it does feel like a Very Luxe face cream. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, on to our final day, day 12. Day 12 is tweezers. I do like tweezers. I feel like for a final day in an advent calendar though, it's a bit like, they do feel nice. I've got so many tweezers actually this advent season though, so I really don't need any more. Okay, let's have a look at pricing and stuff, and yeah. So I don't really know much about the brand. I've never tried it. I just want to see if there's like a value on the... Okay, so it's $125. It reckons it's worth $201. I don't know. So yeah, it's everything in here is a mini apart from the Cherry Lips. It says that that's a limited edition one. The claw clip and the scrunchie are part of a collab. I can't pronounce it, I'm really sorry, but it says they're both limited edition, and then we have the tweezers as well. So yeah, I don't know, like I feel like it's okay. I think it's like there is a nice range of products in here. If it is true about the value, like that's nice. I'm just trying to like get a gauge of the actual brand to see like, I guess, how much these things typically go for, you know, does that make sense? You can actually buy this, the nifty 50 220 ml on there for $20. So, but yeah, everything else, it looks like you can get these minis in like kits, but not actually like, you can't actually buy the minis. Let's just have a look what everything else kind of goes for, like full sizes and things like that. So for a full size of the Hero Face Oil, which is this one here, it looks like it's $45 for 30 mils. So this is a third of that, which makes this $15. Okay. The Very Luxe Face Cream. The full size is $79 for 50 mils, and we get 15 mils. So let's just say it's a third of it as well. So let's do 79 divided by 3. So that's about 26. So yeah, I guess that like when you're going off full priced, like when you're looking at like the full value of these products, I can see that there is a bit of value in there. So yeah, like I can see it. But yeah, I feel like just the smaller sizes are a little bit off-putting. Not off-putting, I shouldn't say that, but you know what I mean, like, I don't know. Anyway, I think it's nice. I think if you want to try out the brand, it could be a very good way to do that. I think the box is actually, like, absolutely stunning. Don't love the claw clip, don't love the scrunchie, don't love the tweezers, just because in a 12-day calendar, I feel like, you know, I don't really know much about go-to, but even like a lip scrub or something like that would have been nice. But I feel like obviously this is meant to be a collab, like part of like a collab with Elamas. I don't know how to say it, I'm really sorry, but yeah. So like I understand like the limited edition things, but I do also think, I really wonder how much value there is behind that. But anyway, it's a nice calendar. I'm not mad that I bought it. But yeah, it's not the worst one I've unboxed. It's not my favourite one that I've unboxed. I will say there are only 3 items that aren't skincare, so that's not too bad. Like, but anyway, let me know down below what you think. I'm very curious, but thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!